Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Carrie. I'm here with a little hair makeover video where I go from this to all of this. I took out my braids or my twists and I was really craving some drama, but I wanted my hair out. So I used the Kinkistry extensions that I featured in another video that I did a few months ago. When I was trying those out, I did like a full sew-in then, but this is like kind of a partial thing. So anyway, I love it. I love the results. And if you want to see how I got the look, then just keep on watching. Okay. Good morning. I'm getting ready to do a little hair makeover. So I figured I would do a little video on it. My hair looks really funny right now because I have this in the back. I have a lot going on, but I just washed my hair last night. I have been watching a lot of YouTube videos and I've just been envisioning a little bit of something. My hair is a little bit dry right now and very shrunken up, but I have this vision of just adding a little bit of oomph. I'm gonna sew some individual Kinkistry hair because when I did that last hair video, I just realized full sew-ins just are not for me. They're just not for me. So, but I do want a little bit of extra drama, some extra length and things like that. So I'm going to try to sew in some individual tracks of the kinky hair back here. I'm gonna probably do one in the back and then like maybe two in the back and then like maybe two up here and just add some like thickness and oomph and body and all of that. So I look a little bit crazy right now, but watch this makeover transpire and hopefully it comes out good. This mirror is dirty, guys. I just finished sectioning my hair. It's very confusing, but basically I wanted the hair to lay, like to be sewn this way so that it lays this way, at least in the front. And then in the back, I have it, going the normal way, like up and down and all that. So then I'm basically just going to braid the parts that I designated for the tracks to be sewn on and to the middle. And then I'm leaving this part out and I'm gonna sew the tracks on. So yeah. I don't know if that came through right, but basically I sectioned my hair off and the parts that I braided are going to be leave out parts and the parts that I twisted are braid parts. So it kind of alternates so that everything can cover up each other. And I have the parts in the front so that I sew the tracks in this way as opposed to this way so that it kind of lays the way that I want it to, at least like in this part. And then the rest of it, I kind of have it sewing side to side. So let me turn around. I don't know if you can really see, but so this back part's gonna be left out. And then I started braiding this part together. I have the braid and then I wanna sew this part on. I have the braids going inside toward each other. And then I wanna sew the track on. And right now I have it held in place with one of those like snag-free rubber bands. And then I'm gonna sew it on and then I'm gonna take the rubber band off. So let me show you the hair. I have cut these pieces of hair already so that they match up with the designated parts. And then I doubled it up so that it was thicker. So this is Kinkistry hair, which I did a video on. And then this is basically what it's gonna look like. And then when I take this part down, it's gonna cover that and all the above. So I'll keep you updated on the progress. I'm gonna sew this one on. I did cut more hair to put two of these into like each braided part, but I feel like, I don't know if it'll be too big because like I still have a lot of leave out. So I don't know, I'm gonna test it out. If I had some bobby pins, I would pin it in first to see how it would look, but I don't know, I'm just gonna have to sew one in, and then if I need to add more, I may have to go and add more. First one done. And so you can see what it looks like. It was a little bit too long, so I had to like fold it over. But hopefully, okay, I'm gonna take this bottom part out just to see how everything is working together. Okay, progress. So I have 2 rows in. I'm gonna have to go check in the other mirror. But keep in mind, obviously this is not styled, but okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay, this is what we're looking like. So far, this is like totally not styled. I have one more to sew in right here in the front. And then I definitely think I'm gonna add some pieces to thicken up, like to make the back, fill out the back. Yeah, I think I'm gonna fill out the top back layer. I don't even think that makes any sense. And add maybe like another 2 tracks in here. Let me go get them so I can see. Okay, so I'm gonna hold this up to my head and see how it looks, so I can get a feel. Yeah, that definitely looks a lot better. So I just needed to add another piece here in the back so I can fill out the back of my hair, the back of my head a little bit. Yeah, that looks a lot better. So I'm gonna do that, finish the front, and then I think we'll call it a day. And I need to go cook dinner. So if I can finish this shortly. Okay, so this is where we are. It's huge and massive, but it's not styled yet. It will definitely go down after I like put some twists in, style it like normal. But I'm really happy with how it came out and how it's laying and the body and the volume. I have somewhere to go tomorrow. I'm just going to dinner. So I'll show you the finished product before I go out. Okay. So it's some time later and I decided to switch things up. So, you know how I had some pieces in here? I decided to take those out because it was like a little bit too big up in the front for me. And so I decided to keep the two tracks in the back that I had. And then this third one that I put in, I put it like all the way around so that it goes all the way around on this side. And then for the parts that were a little bit too sparse for me in the back, I added a little bit more hair. Like I just sewed it on to the tracks that were already there. So anyway, I think it turned out really good, really cute. And I have some big hair energy, which I love. So, oh, and then another thing that I did is I trimmed the bottom a little bit just to make it a little bit more even. And this hair, I believe it's 24 inches, but I did cut some. So yeah, love that. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Loving my new hair. I should be able to have it in for about 6 to 8 weeks or so. And I'll probably redo it because I'm just loving it so much. And I can like wash my hair, condition it with all this stuff in. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. Are you gonna try it out? Are you not? I know this video was a little bit chaotic and it wasn't like really a tutorial. But anyway, let me know what you think and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.